if, we take a shower, if it's a 10 or 15-minute gap, that might lend enough time for a device to be removed, used, and put back.
Judge, objection calls for speculation.
All right, I'll
Okay. I think we've probably gone where we need to go on that. So I'm going to move on to the next slide. Here, I'm going to identify it as Defense Exhibit 167.
Okay.
Sir, do you recognize that?
I do.
And what's the significance of that artifact in relation to your investigation?
This is a login from the Banfield residence on the same evening of February 20th to the alleged suspect account, the CBRN 920 account that was used to facilitate ultimately the FetLife and then onto the Telegram and the eventual meeting.
Your Honor, I'd identify this and ask for it to be moved into evidence number 167.
Any objection?
No, thank you.
67?
And once the ladies and gentlemen of the jury and see that, can you please go over what the significance of this is?
Sure. As I said, this is a login reported by Google to the CBRN 920 Gmail account. So that is the email account that was being used to facilitate or to set up FetLife and then ultimately to the communication which led to the events of the 24th of February in 2023. This was on the evening of February 20th and the time was 11:08 and 13 seconds, so 11:08 p.m.
And I'm sorry, did you mention the account that was created or that was used?
Yeah, yes, Judge asked and answered.
I just didn't hear, Judge, I'm sorry.
All right.
If it was, that's fine.
I did.
Okay. Your Honor, I'm going to move on to Exhibit 168. Oh, sorry. Is there anything additional that relating to your digital forensic analysis on 167 that you can explain to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
There is, the timing to me was significant on this particular artifact, but we'd have to point it out, go back to the slide prior.
Okay.
If
Your Honor,
that's possible.
If I may, I'm going to go back to this slide prior.
I know. He did identify which degree.
Your Honor, can we publish that to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
Right.
Judge, I don't believe it's been admitted.
Excuse me?
I don't believe it's been admitted.
I thought this was the one prior.
It is.
No, that's
He did.
166.
Oh,
Sorry.
Wrong way, I think.
My big fingers.
no, you had it. No, going backwards, sorry. This one. No, forward
Sorry.
one.
Yeah, you go forward one.
I'm pressing too hard.
All right, stop.
Okay, sorry. You were saying to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
They know.
166.
Is this one in?
Yeah.
166 is not in evidence.
Oh, Your Honor, move it in as,
166, no objection.
Okay, there we go. Now they can look at it.
okay, now we have context in terms of what you're saying. I apologize. Please explain for the ladies and gentlemen of the jury the significance of this, and then hopefully I'll move forward to the other one so you can talk about that as well.
Right. So this was, again, from Ms. Banfield's laptop, the Lenovo laptop. And this is an Innova.org website, a VPN. So that's a remote access to the Innova website where she worked. And this was on the evening of the 20th at 11:07. And this ties into what we were talking about earlier, the sequencing and the window. So the time of this particular access was 11:07 and 49 seconds. I know I've been rounding up and down and saying 11:07, 11:08, but this one's important to go granular. So if this one at 11:07 and 49 seconds. And now, if you could, sorry, jump to the next one. So this activity, which is a login to the suspect email account, was 23 seconds later, 24?
And this is it identified as 167?
It's in evidence.
Yes.
167.
I just wanted to say for the record.
Okay.
Yeah, so 24 seconds later, so that's the window we're talking about here. For me as an investigator with the facts consistent with this case, we've gone from a activity on the laptop that is unique to one person. In this case, to my understanding,
Objection calls for speculation.
All right, I'll sustain.
Can you explain it in a different way?
we've gone from unrelated activity, related activity on the laptop unrelated to the scheme, 24 seconds later to something central to the scheme. So we've gone from an ANOVA website to the suspect Gmail account in a 24-second window.
And just so we're clear, the ANOVA website was, what device was that on?
Ms. Banfield's laptop.
Okay. Your Honor, I'm going to move to the next slide. This will be Defense Exhibit 168?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sir, what is this artifact?
This is a login or usage of the Telegram app on Ms. Banfield's laptop computer.
Okay. And is there anything significant about the start time and end time, I guess?
The start time is of most significance here at this stage of our chronology. It's at 11:09 and 12 seconds p.m.
Your Honor, I'd move that in.
Any objection?
No, thank you.
168.
I apologize. Mr. Litzky, can you explain that to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury to give them context?
Sure. This is the Telegram app in use on Ms. Banfield's laptop at on 2/20/23 at 11:09 and 12 seconds p.m. So now 59 seconds after the suspect Gmail account was in use, also from a Windows device at the residence.
Your Honor, I'm going to move to the next slide. Your Honor, may I just consult with counsel?
All right.
Is this the one that you guys have in? Are you asking if we need to tell them? Which telegram we haven't in so far? Did we put the whole thing in? Yeah, we put the whole thing in. We put the whole thing in, so. We moved in everything, the whole document. I'm not necessarily, if you're just trying to highlight it, we're just going to submit it's already admitted.
Your Honor, I'd move this exhibit in as Exhibit 169.
Any objection?
Just confirming with counsel that this is extracted from our previously
Your
admitted
previous
exhibit
exhibit.
of all of the
Okay.
messages.
All
No
right, so
objection.
169 in evidence.
Thank you. Sir, what is this?
These are the Telegram messages between the account purported to be used by Ms. Banfield and Mr. Ryan.
And does that coincide with what we previously saw?
Yeah, these are just a subsection of the messages exchanged on these two accounts. This relates to the time period that we're reviewing currently. So this is February 20th, 23, beginning, the first blue bubble on the left is at 11:17 p.m. and then 11:18 PM for the green, and then later at 11:18 PM for the next blue.
Your Honor, I'm going to move on to the next
All
slide.
right.
I believe that'll be identified as Exhibit 170.
Okay.
Sir, do you see that on your screen?
I do.
And, excuse me, what's the significance of this item?
These are FetLife messages from the night of February 20th, 2023.
And, Your Honor, I move these in as Defense Exhibit 170.
Any objection?
Again, same judge, I believe we've got the entire document in already.
All right, 170.